this is the land I intend to die on. Hopefully a few more years yet, but this is the land. Well, this is my final build. I see this tree here. Probably going to put some string on it and try and straighten it up. It's a nice tree. It's a berry tree. The one over there is dead. They used to be chopped down. I'll probably do that today. So you can see where it was so overgrown that things have leaned towards the light. But anyway, I'm diversifying. Away from the build. So nearly broke my neck on a stump. So I'll show you what I've been up to today. Apart from cutting that, we've gone all down the road there, cut all that back. It's all very nice now. And so what I decided to do today as a bit of change, some light work. I decided to put these studs in, and these studs are in pretty much randomly. I haven't measured them, they're just stuck in randomly. And basically what happens is, I'll show you with a piece of wood. This is the width of the wall, 15 centimeters or 150 millimeters. I don't know what that is in inches, but anyway, it'll sit on like that. And once it's on, eventually you've got to insulate it. So we leave a 5 centimeter gap here, so I can stick insulation in there and insulate it out. When it sits on these studs, so there we go, like that, all the way down. So these are just randomly popped in. Doesn't matter how many you put in, really. Just something like that. And yes, that's where I've been at. And also straightening the wood up. There's a couple of shots. There's a dragonfly there buzzing around me. Yeah, what are you doing there? Hello, dragonfly. Hello, dragonfly. Hello, dragonfly. Another one there. They seem to like sitting on the timber here. There's a whole row of them. There's one dragonfly. There's another one. There's another one. For whatever reason, they like to sit on the wood. Aren't you beautiful? Aren't you beautiful, dragonfly? Oh, he's gone. And the other two over there. Diversify. So yeah, that's what I've been at. So a lot of work cutting the grass back. It's a big area to cut. So now these are in. I wanted to get these in, do something light anyway. Probably going to go back on to this tonight now and get this finished up either today or tomorrow. And then we're going to make